In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Microsoft Teams from showing away in 5 minutes. So for this, you have to go ahead and change your power options. For that, just go to your start menu and in here, just search for power options. Then when you find power options, just go inside the power and sleep settings. And when it loads, you're gonna find the power and sleep options. Now here for the sleep, set everything to never, even on plugged in, even on battery. And for the screen, also set everything to never, even on battery and even when plugged in. And after you have done that, it should work. But there's another workaround that you can do. You can just go to your Microsoft Teams app or website, then just go to the top right and click on your profile. From here, set the custom message to available. And you can also set the status to available and click on done. Now it will always show you as available on Microsoft Teams. And basically that is it. And that is how to stop Microsoft Teams from showing away in 5 minutes. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.